Okay, welcome back everyone. I thank you for joining us on this journey again. Um, in our last video, we talked about the some of the different tools available that can usually use to edit to create code in code blocks. Now we're looking into creating a project. So what do you think of a project? Probably I've guessed it by now. A project is like um I will call a project like a workplace, for example. Okay, so like a workplace where you keep all your codes basically. Okay, so you keep all your codes in the project and they do different things and they all come together to achieve a certain goal basically. So you can think of project as your software, while your code is in while your sorry, you can think of a project as like your container and your code is like the liquid. But this might sound very unfair, but right now we'll look at how to actually create a project. Okay, so as we said, a project like a workspace for your code. So create a new project. So after your installation is successful, this is what you see when you click new project here. Create new project on this highlight. But in case this doesn't come for some reason, like for example you cancel this start and just go to file. Okay, new project, still to come up. So what do you want to click? You want to click console application. Okay, then you want to click go. Then you want to click C. Then you can just give you any project title. Just call this beginners beginners class. Sure, this plus one status class. Status class. Okay, so just next. So as a beginner, all this might not be configured, so you want to set this to GNU compiler. Search for not GNU compiler by Android. It should be there definitely. Search for not GNU unfortunate compiler, just for GNU GCC compiler as a beginner. So go to GNU GCC compiler. What was it? GCC compiler. GNU GCC. I'm sorry, bro. I'm having a hard time spotting where. No, Blackfin, no. Better for Android. Uh, sorry. Let's come here again. New project. Status. Next. Okay. GNU GCC compiler, which is at the top here. Yeah, you should see here. So choose this one. Yeah, this is it here. So you want to choose the GNU CCC compiler, which is here. It should be at the top also. But just scroll around, you should find it definitely if you're in station. Then you click finish. So right now it's creating our new workplace or our new project. So open sources, click main C. So you might be thinking, what is main C? Okay, so like remember in an office workplace there'll probably be workers there who are assigned to do specific tasks. So this is actually called a file. Okay, it's inside our project. This is our project here. It's inside our project, and every file you can create as many files as you want. Every single file has a particular function is doing. So and all these files come together to work as a single unit. Okay, So we have a file here called main.c. So why you might ask yourself, why does the computer give the file main.c? That's because a code has to start from a particular place. You cannot just start from anywhere. So main.c is the starting point of a code. That's why if you look at this code here, you see int main printf. This is basically the starting point of the code. Main.c is the starting point um, of the code. But we can actually delete that. I'm going to delete now. I'm going to create our new starting point. I'm going to assign it. I'm going to assign it with the. I'm going to assign it basically. So let's look at deleting this. Sorry. Remove file from project. Just come here. New file. I want to click yes here. Give that a sec. So we see our main.c, although it's removed, so it won't actually have any effect in our code. So we'll call it untitled.c. We must add this.c because it's a header for C. So it's telling the computer that this is a C type of code or C type of file. So it's a specific. It's only run on code blocks and not anywhere. So if you're creating a new file, you must add this.c. Not forget it, but you can give this any other name basically. Let's call this. Let's call it Linux.c and save. Okay. Then we'll click. You see this debug release. Everything should, both of them should be check marked. Then we'll click OK basically, and here we have our new. So if you extend this, we have our new file created, just like that. Very easy. So very soon we'll start doing things like this, cool stuff like this. What is that? Hashtag include. So you actually have to dio.h int main. So this is the. You don't actually have to worry about what this does particularly. I'm just showing you that this is possible, and very soon you'll be able to do this like this. Print f, just hi, beginner, begin or starter. Okay, now click turn 0. That should basically be it. So like you said, in code blocks you cannot just go. So we have our menu here where you can. It's to you remember when we were talking in the last video about build here. Build, we have the run menu. You see the run menu is now highlighted. We have, but I said for you to actually run you have to build it first. So we'll go ahead and build this. And we see that there's no single error in our code, meaning that it's actually good to go. Okay. Another oh. Sorry, since the error came up here. Okay, so this actually is an error that usually comes up sometimes when you're coding in C. It's mainly because of it could be for a lot of reasons, but don't worry about this error. Okay, so the error is about that. We just run this. Yes, build it. Okay, and look, it printed high starter. Okay, high starter. So it actually executed. So don't forget what to do for this code to run. We just clicked this settings button, this setting icon here. That's our build. Then we press this run. You can just use this, that will do both together. So that's for that, and see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.